going back to this idea of complex business logic, one of the other things that you said was, let me just find that, the most accessible ways for a restless junior engineer to make an impact and learn the system deeply is to build significant testing frameworks. So that plays into these complex logic and then evaluating those and helping us to build these more deterministic systems, perhaps.
Absolutely. I mean, I think when a system is very complex and you're able to have folks come in and build frameworks that interact with these systems, not in production, but in a sanitized environment, you can play. Like fundamentally, we should be thinking about testing as playing with your logic, right? And that's the best way we learn at growing up as kiddos. But also, when learning a new system, a system that has easy access to add test coverage and also has obvious avenues where you can create entire classes of coverage, I think are great opportunities for any new, whether they're junior or senior engineer on a team to onboard and really, make a huge impact. Because when you've got, systems that you've got to support in production, anything you can do to improve stability has has limited downside risk and will make the lives of everyone on the team better, right? And so it's a great way for folks to immediately come in and make an impact. And it requires some deep understanding of the flows, because you can't play with something unless you're it's hard to, while you're playing with something, you're going to be creative with it. Like fundamentally, it's about, getting your brain juices flowing and playing with that system. Yeah. And I find that in my career, certainly in our space where things are very mission critical and, an error can cause dramatic consequences, not only for ourselves, but for unrelated customers or folks who are, a lot of our customers might be caught in the blast zones of various bugs. This is a place where the testability of the system is very important. And when you've got that, then folks can come in, build coverage, design new systems, build, have fun with, do some astronaut architecture on new test frameworks. It's quite interesting, even if that stuff does not have to occupy production hardware.